Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication to the sides car's profile. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels, with the 5V spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi Q3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.